Shout Out Sunday.
Happy Halloween! Wait a minute, was Halloween last week? Did I not put up a Shout Out Sunday? My bad.
It's no excuse, but I was in San Diego with a bunch of my friends, and here's a video in case you want to see what we were doing. And I know, I know. On Twitter, Riches turned me into an evil bunny. I don't like it.
Bunnies are supposed to be cute and fluffy, not dangerous.
On Daily Booth, Ashley Tark posted this picture of this cartoon, and on it said, "I did not hit you, I simply high-fived your face."
Not cool.
Click thumbs up if you're like me and you don't like getting hurt or face-palmed or violence. On Facebook, Mary Stacy turned me into a queen.
I get to wear a crown, so that's pretty cool.
Favorite this video if you'd want to live in a castle. I mean, they have drawbridges and moats, and I mean, come on. Do you like my glasses? Yeah, Margot sent them to me. I like them. On my website, in my chat room, it is Miss J. Bieber's birthday today.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
And look at this beautiful, gorgeous person wearing my shirt. Yeah! And I finally chose the winner for the signed copy of Safe Haven.
But my main favorite would be like something with a little romance and a little post-apocalyptic, you know what I'm trying to say? When the world's gonna end, or ending, or ended, and there's love, of course. Hunger Games is most definitely my favorite.
I love the Hunger Games series. I own it, I've read it, and you win. 2 weeks ago on YouTube, I asked you guys to complete the sentence, I am really craving. I'm really craving nothing because I just ate.
I'm really craving a cupcake and a piece of your hair and a dirty sock and your little toe. I am really craving some attention from anyone.
I am really craving plastic watermelon. Plastic watermelon.
You were gone last week.
Thank you. Yay.
Question time. Leave me a comment or a video response completing this sentence. Did you just call me a...
45 Shout Out Sundays are done. I go. Okay, bye-bye.